Your connection to this site is not secure. If you're having the same error with your website, this means your website is missing SSL. So in this video, I will show you how you can install a free SSL on your website. This is a common error and we can fix it for free. So in this video, we will use Cloudflare service. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. I already have one, so I have logged into my account. Once you logged in, you need to click Add a Site. Then you need to type in your website address without HTTP protocol. So I have copied my website address and pasted it, then click Add Site. On the following page, you will get an option to choose a plan, but no worries, you can go with free plan and no credit card is required. You get free SSL and free CDN as well. So you need to click continue. On the following page, the Cloudflare will analyze your current DNS settings. Make sure it's correct one so you have no issues. Once you are satisfied, you need to click continue. On the next page, it will ask you that you need to log into your domain provider. In my case, it's Namecheap, and then you need to replace your current name servers with the Cloudflare's name servers. So I have copied the Cloudflare name server. Now I have logged into my domain provider, which is Namecheap, and as you can see, it's using basic DNS. I changed it to custom DNS and pasted the Cloudflare DNS one by one. Once you are done, it should look like this. Then you need to press this tiny check mark so your setting is saved. As you can see, it's showing that DNS server update may take up to 48 hours, so you need to be patient. In most of the cases, it works within 24 hours. During this period, your site may be unavailable. Then you need to continue and make sure that you check these settings. Then click finish. On the next page, click check name servers. So Cloudflare will start checking the name server settings. It can take up to 24 hours for it, but in most cases it doesn't take more than 1 hour. As you can see, pending name server update, so you need to wait. So after waiting few hours, our website is now active. You will also get an email of activation. Now to make sure our SSL is correctly configured, click on SSL TLS. Then in our view setting, make sure it's flexible. So let's try to visit our website again. As you can see, our website is not available and is totally normal because you need to wait for up to 24 to 48 hours. In meanwhile, you can hard refresh, clear browser cache, try incognito mode, use VPN, or try different browser. So I have waited for 24 hours and now let's see if our website is working or not. I have typed in the website address with HTTP and it's still showing us the old version. So you can press Ctrl R to hard refresh the website, and after that you can see SSL is installed successfully without any charges. So I hope this article is helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.